dead. Oh my god.
I just finished at Soulcycle. I did a Justin Bieber class with Bailey, and I was so in my middle school feels. But I'm gonna shower now and then probably run some errands because I'm off and it's Friday. Literally, look at how matted my hair is from that ride. Like, how the heck am I gonna brush that out? I just realized that actually it's way too early to run my errands because the places I want to go don't open until like 10 or 11 and it's 8:30. So I'll probably just run those errands tomorrow. I was wanting to go by Sephora because I'm out of my moisturizer. And then I wanted to get my wedding rings cleaned because I haven't had them cleaned since before the wedding, and I've been to Miami and Destin since then. So I think they need to get cleaned because they're really dirty and I don't know how to clean them at home. So I guess I'm just gonna go home and probably edit my video and do laundry and whatnot. Having a snack, some carrot chips, sausage balls I made with breakfast pork sausage and almond flour, and then some hummus for my carrots. I did my makeup and filmed an intro clip to my full week of workouts video. I will link it down below. It was my last video that I posted. Go check it out, it's really good. I like it. And now I'm gonna get back to editing and watching Love Island. I got a package from this, what is it, from Beyond Polish. They sell like a ton of different nail polishes. There were some OPI colors that I was wanting. So I got this green color, and then I also got another color that's like a baby pink, kind of a nude. Here are the two gel colors I got from OPI. They're from Beyond Polish because that's like, that and Walmart were the only places I could find OPI gel polish, because really you're not supposed to buy it from the OPI website at all. Only business owners can or something like that. But I think I'm gonna do this green one. It's called How Does Your Zen Garden Grow? And then this one is Lisbon Once More, which is a really pretty neutral. Margaritas for happy hour. This place has happy hour every day from 3 to 6. Got our margaritas and just waiting on our guacamole. Who's winning?
I am. Is that even a question?
I actually won 2 games though.
You did win 2 games.
So it's 4-2.
You're actually serving really well today. Your backhand's just hurting.
Yeah.
It's okay. You're doing well. For taking 5 weeks off, I think we're doing pretty good. We're definitely the best people out.
Oh yeah. Like, look at those pros over there. They're not pros, we're pros. Just kidding.
Sure.
We're kind of bad.
We get lots of stares.
That was good.
That was really good.
I finally didn't lose completely. I won 3 games at least. And Dylan won 6. So he won, obviously. Now, we're done playing tennis.
I'm tired.
Me too.
It's hot. Okay,
Came to Sephora. I need more of my Dr. Dennis Gross moisturizer. I completely ran out today. So I'm gonna grab one of these. Oh, of course. I would knock stuff over. Grab one of these. I think that's all I need from here. I just finished eating some rice cakes and peanut butter, but we are actually gonna go to the lake. Just got ready with some friends. So I'll see you on the lake.
just told me he lost his Apple Watch.
No, I didn't.
Look at that
I didn't get that tan for nothing. Yeah, it's gone.
He just said whenever he jumped in the water, he lost it and never told any of us the whole time.
You're
my
not
God.
finding it. It's gone.
I can't believe we lost the Apple Watch. That's better than one of our wedding rings, though.
That's why I wore this. I was like, I'm not wearing a nice
So,
ring now.
oh my God, yeah, I never trust you in the water with anything.
Yeah, I know. Not ideal.
No,
Not ideal.
but it's okay. We can get another one.
So what is your favorite food now?
I've been obsessed with tchotchkes.
God, I wish we didn't know someone that owned Schlotzsky's for freaking like 20 years.
I know,
Now you're like, oh, I'm
right?
obsessed with it. Mom, this is her fault. Like, we literally, I whined and dined you. I was like, here's a Schlotzsky sandwich, and a pizza. You're like,
And I used
want
to
it.
never really like it. And then
Now you're
now,
like, oh, give me all the Schlotzsky.
I'm obsessed right now.
I don't even feel bad. You had it for so many years, didn't want it, and now you want it. I lived off this. This is what I survived off of for about 19, 20 years, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
One bite, everyone knows the rules. I'll give it an 8.5. Bread's good. Could be a little more crispy. That's okay. That's just how they do it. But no, it's pretty good, honestly.
No, I like that it's not crispy here at this location.
Yeah. It all depends on the oven. It depends on how they bake it. I would go into depth on that, but I don't want to bore you. I mean,
Yeah.
I could bake this bread if I wanted
But our
to.
favorite chips are jalapeno, for sure.
And jalapeno.
And then Dylan always
we had
gets
boxes of this.
Oh, yeah.
We literally had boxes of these. Like, would you? My mom's gonna be
so
sitting there
good.
going, "You had it, Pam."
So good.
Shout out, Kel.